Traditional homes have a timeless appeal built on symmetry, proportion, and thoughtful architectural details. When updating these homes, it's important to choose features that enhance their character rather than detract from it. Bay windows are a natural fit for traditional architecture because they add depth, light, and elegance while respecting classic design principles. For homeowners in Washington, bay windows offer a beautiful way to enhance traditional homes without compromising their original charm. Wide bay windows complement traditional design. Bay windows have long been associated with classic home styles. Their outward projection adds architectural interest while maintaining balance and symmetry. In Washington homes with traditional architecture, bay windows blend seamlessly with existing features such as trim work, brick or siding details, and pitched roofs. Their structure feels intentional and historically appropriate rather than modern or out of place. Enhancing symmetry and proportion. Traditional architecture often relies on symmetry to create a harmonious appearance. Bay windows support this by adding visual depth without disrupting balance. Washington homeowners can position bay windows centrally or in alignment with other architectural elements. This placement preserves the home's proportions while enhancing its visual appeal. Bringing in natural light while maintaining elegance. Bay windows allow light to enter from multiple angles, brightening interior spaces naturally. In traditional homes, this increased light enhances warmth and openness without overpowering the design. For Washington homeowners, bay windows provide a graceful way to brighten rooms while maintaining the refined atmosphere traditional homes are known for. Creating inviting interior spaces inside the home, bay windows create charming alcoves that feel both functional and welcoming. These spaces often become cozy seating areas, reading nooks, or display areas. In Washington homes, bay windows add character to living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms, enhancing comfort while honoring traditional design. Respecting exterior architectural details. The exterior design of a bay window is just as important as the interior impact. Traditional homes benefit from bay windows that include subtle trim, balanced lines, and appropriate scale. Washington homeowners can choose bay window designs that reflect the home's existing exterior details. This attention to consistency helps the bay window look like an original part of the home rather than an addition. Supporting classic window configurations. Traditional homes often feature window arrangements that feel orderly and balanced. Bay windows can be designed with classic panel configurations that align with this style. In Washington homes, choosing bay window layouts that mirror existing window patterns helps maintain a cohesive exterior appearance. Improving comfort without altering character. Bay windows not only enhance appearance but also improve indoor comfort. Their design allows for better light distribution and a sense of openness. Washington homeowners appreciate that bay windows can modernize comfort while preserving the home's traditional character. Enhancing curb appeal in established neighborhoods. In neighborhoods with traditional architecture, maintaining visual harmony is important. Bay windows enhance curb appeal without clashing with surrounding homes. For Washington homeowners, a well-designed bay window adds elegance and distinction while fitting naturally into established architectural landscapes. A thoughtful upgrade for timeless homes. Bay windows offer a rare combination of beauty, functionality, and historical compatibility. Their design supports the classic lines and proportions that define traditional architecture. For homeowners in Washington, bay windows are an ideal upgrade for traditional homes. They enhance light, space, and visual interest while honoring the architectural heritage that makes these homes special, creating a timeless improvement that feels both refined and inviting.